Okay, now we had learned rational number on the basis of 4 operation. We had learned rational number on the basis of 4 operations. 4 operations, that is on the basis of addition, on the basis of subtraction, on the basis of multiplication, and on the basis of division. Now one by one we will discuss about it. Now we will add two rational numbers. Discuss addition of two rational numbers. Okay, for example, if I take an example like 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2. So 2 upon 4 is your rational number and plus 3 upon 2 is again your rational number. Now we are going to add these two rational numbers. So first thing you should have to focus is you are going to check whether the denominator are equal or not. If the denominator are not equal, then you are going to make the denominator same. So here your denominator is 4, here your denominator is 2, which means your denominator are different. Rational number add macha chikpa re dere min deta re. Macha chikpa menang anzo macha chikpa soyare. Now we are going to make the denominator same. So we are going to take LCM of number 4 and 2. So we will take a prime number 2. 2 will divide for 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 as it is. So 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 4. Ta hanso LCM dikhare shire. Ta 2 upon 4 di hanso khat there. 2 upon 4 di rangja there. Khajin nana hanso chi LCM di 4 ra. So 2 upon 4 as it is. Yang ne 1 ki multiply tang ne 2 ra. Khan 4 LCM di rangja gora hanso plus phachula khachere in case of denominator 2 re da. The 2 ding anzo 4 la convert chere. So 2 the 4 la convert chesamba. Whatever number we multiply in the denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. The 2 4 chayla khar ki multiply tangor. So 2 2s are 4 chasa. Whatever number we multiply in the denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. So now we are going to solve this further. 2 1s are 2, 4 plus 3 2s are 6, 4. Now your denominator is same, so you are going to write denominator only once and you are going to add these two numerator numbers. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 and denominator is 4. Now you will make this into standard form. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Your product is 2 upon 1. So 2 upon 1 is a rational number, which means addition of two rational number, the sum of two rational number is always a rational number. Understood? Go to say. Ta hanso khar changai lana. Niwa di khar la base chene lana. Second, we have subtraction of two rational number. Again, we will take an example. Suppose we took an example 4 upon 3 minus 5 upon 4. Again, in case of subtraction, we are going to check whether our denominator are same or not. If the denominator is again not same, then we are going to make the denominator same. Chikpa chikya addition nangsing anzo thangbo kharta re rational number ki form la re de remide. Oh, the rational number ki form la re do 4 upon 3 p by q form la re do. 5 upon 4 p by q form la re do. Ine operation dikha re de subtraction re do. Ta in case of addition ta subtraction lang anzo khadu ine khachi la na macha ta. Thangbo macha chikpa re de minda ta. Macha di chikpa mena anzo macha chikpa se. Now we are going to make the denominator same. So we are going to take an LCM of 3 and 4. So first of all, we will take a prime number 2. So 3 dirang jache. in 2 table 4 leader, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, and then 3 1s are 3. So LCM gacha, so 2 multiply 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So now your LCM is 12. Now you're going to make the denominator 12 on a both side, because here the denominator is 3, here the denominator is 4, but your LCM is 12. Now you are going to make the denominator 12. So we are solving it further. So 4 upon 3. So how we will make this 12? By multiplying 4, right? So whatever number we multiply in the denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. So 3 is multiplied with 4, 3 4s are 12, and same number should be multiplied in the numerator. Minus 5 upon 4. Now 4 will multiply with a 3 to get a LCM 12. So whatever number we multiply in the denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. So 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12. Minus 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Now see, our denominator is same. Now our calculation is very easy. Now we will take 12 only once, because the 12 is common in both the rational number. So we are going to subtract 16 minus 15 divided by 12. So when we subtract 15 from 16, our answer is 1 upon 12. Again, it is in the form of P by Q, right? Again, it is in the form of, this is our answer. And again, this is in the form of P by Q. Subtraction of two rational number. Rational number ni subtraction answer dikhatu ine khali re rational number ki form la li de. And chipa chikyan ta addition ta subtraction of rational number chedan chipa chikyan re. Khacher la thangbo anso rational number ki form la re de re mi de re. Rational number ki form la ina. And step new dikhacher la na. Kisi mena in rational number ki form la re. Kisi ni ka rational number ina and denominator check chere. Denominator check pa ina. Any calculation chela lela yore and anzo kyoga tsair ra chesang anzo kesi denominator chipa mena any LCM tsair LCM tsedu samba kara macha chipa tsera macha chipa chana and anzo calculation di lela chere. Next we have multiplication of rational number. Next we have multiplication of rational number. Again, we are going to take an example. So, suppose we'll take example 9 upon 4 multiply. Let's take an example like 5 upon 8. So, 9 upon 4 is a rational number, and 5 upon 8 is again a rational number. Rational number and our operation is here. The operation is multiplication. Our operation is multiplication. So in case of multiplication, we are going to use the formula. That is, the formula is numerator should always multiply with the numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the denominator. This is the formula we use here. In case of multiplication and division, numerator is multiplied with the numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator. But in case of addition and subtraction, we are going to check whether the denominator is same or not. If the denominator is not same, in case of addition and subtraction, we are going to make the denominator same. But in case of multiplication, we are going to check whether the two numbers are in a rational number form. Yes, it is in the form of rational number. Now what we are going to do is, we are just multiplying numerator with the numerator and just multiplying denominator with the denominator. So, when we multiply 9 with the 5, numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So, our product is 9 5s are 45 and 4 8s are 32. Again, your answer is 45 upon 32, and again it is in the form of rational number. Yange khare the rational number ki form lare dere minde. P by Q form lare da. It is a positive rational number. So multiplication of two rational number. Rational number ni khadu ne multiply chwa ina. Nang anzo ji product di khadu ne khare answer di khare rational number ki form la li re la. Go to say. Okay, now we have a last operation. With the last operation, and our last operation is division of rational number. Again, we will take an example. So, suppose take an example 7/5 divided by 3/4. Now, first we are going to check whether these are in a rational number form. Yes, 7/5 is in the rational number form. 3/4 is also in a rational number form. The division ka sutta step chik thewa re. Chedang sama multiplication do de. Hine division la khacherta. In case of division, we are going to write the first rational number as it is. 7/5 as it is. And we are going to make the second number we are going to make the reciprocal of second number. 4 will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. When the second fraction or a rational number is becoming reciprocal, your operations will be changed. Your operation will become multiply and your number will be interchange. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Now your calculation is very easy. It's simply like a multiplication. Now this is your multiplication operation. Now in case of multiplication, numerator is always multiplied with the numerator and denominator is always multiplied with the denominator. The numerator numerator name multiply here. Now we are directly multiplying numerator with the numerator. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 7 multiplied with the 4 and 5 multiplied with the 3. So 7 4s are 28, 5 3s are 15. Again, this is in the form of rational number. So what we are going to say that division of two rational numbers is also a rational number. So we proved that on the basis of 4 operations, whether we add 2 rational number, whether we add 3 rational number, or we subtract or we multiply, our product is always rational number.